Hey there, health-conscious friends. Today I'm sharing a super easy turmeric yogurt mask that will brighten your skin and give you that lovely glow. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and a half teaspoon of honey. Let's get started. First, mix all the ingredients into a smooth paste. It's that simple. Now apply the mask to your face and neck, but be careful to avoid the eye area. Trust me, you don't want turmeric in your eyes. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is your time to relax. Once time's up, rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry. Remember, turmeric can temporarily stain your skin, so be sure to cleanse thoroughly. So why is this mask awesome? Turmeric has fantastic anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help brighten your skin and reduce redness. Plus, yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and moisturizes. This mask is perfect for dull or uneven skin tones. Give it a try and watch your skin transform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.